Hey guys, so I was editing my video and realized I did not do an intro, so here we are. I'm here with my baby, staying on my shirt. His cheek is super red. He just ate and is pressed up against me. Yeah. So today I want to do a super random video, just like this intro is very random, all about how to make a long DIY computer table. I searched forever trying to find an easy tutorial on YouTube on how to make a desk like this. Could not find it anywhere. The ones that I found were super complicated, hard to follow. So I asked my husband if he'd help me make a desk and he agreed, so here we are. I also looked on a ton of different stores, Target, IKEA, Walmart, Wayfair, you name it. I looked for like a 7-foot or 8-foot long desk, and I did find some, but they were just like stupid expensive, and you can make these desks so cheap, like dirt cheap. So the reason I want a super long table rather than just your average computer desk is because I do have a 9-to-5 job where I work from home. So I wanted that to be one side of the desk, and then the other side of the desk, I just wanted to do like my makeup, and I just wanted enough space to have both. So my husband and I, we are not professional woodworkers, so don't critique us too hard, but we had a lot of fun making this, and it definitely makes me want to make more stuff. So let me know if you guys, have any interest in that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here's my previous desk. Nothing wrong with it, just not exactly what I want. It's short and very wide. So we ended up going to Lowe's to try to find the perfect pieces of wood for our desk. So the original plan was to just find a big chunk of wood, which come to find out is nearly impossible. I mean, it's there, but the thickness is just not what I wanted. So we ended up having to get 3 2x6 pieces and putting them together. So the desk length ended up being 84 inches by 28 inches tall and 26 inches deep, which was perfect for what I wanted. All right, so we are back home now. So what my husband is doing is he is just measuring. So he placed the boards evenly on one side, and then you can see how uneven they are on the other side. So he's just measuring out 7 feet so we can cut it.
What are those?
So unless you can find some boards at Lowe's that are super even, you are probably going to have to even them out. Okay, so once we were done cutting the wood to 7 feet, we just put them right next to each other to make sure everything was even. And then we are going to take the bases, which I found on Amazon, and we are just going to put them on the underside of the table on each side. And you can see my sweet little baby just watching us. He was so tired. So the 3 pieces of wood ended up totaling $16, and then the most expensive were the legs that I purchased on Amazon because I couldn't find anything. I did find some on IKEA, which were $15 each, and they were sawhorse legs, and they were so cute, but we don't have an IKEA near us, and I've had bad experiences with them with shipping. So yeah, just an FYI, I'll link the IKEA ones and the Amazon ones. So we measured out the legs to be 9 inches from the sides and then 3 inches from the top. So here my husband is just screwing everything into place, making it nice and secure. And these legs were very secure. I think they're like a metal material. So they can definitely hold this table up, but my husband wanted to make it just a little bit more secure just in case. So you can see here, baby is passed out. He's like, leave me alone. But my husband took some wood from the wood that he cut earlier, and he's just placing that on both sides and then screwing both of them into place to make sure it can withhold some pressure. So here's what the table looks like when everything is screwed into place. Looks pretty good, very symmetrical. Now we're going to flip it over and voila, perfect. So I really like it. Honestly, I could stain this, put a clear coat on it, and be 100% happy, but I didn't want food and stuff to get in the cracks of the boards. So what we ended up doing was taking some wood filler that we have. Look at baby. Oh, he's passed out. So we took some wood filler and we just kind of put them in the cracks on all 3 of the boards, just so we didn't have stuff getting in between there, getting stuck. You can see our wood filler has seen better days. We actually just found this, thankfully, so we didn't have to make a trip to Lowe's because we did this at like 9, 10 at night. So we're just filling the cracks all throughout the table. And then next, my husband is just going to take his hand sander and just kind of sand the wood filler. Once you're done, make sure you wipe it down with a wet cloth. So now we're going to do the fun part, which is staining. So this is the brand Miniwax, and the shade is Early American 230, I believe. I will link it below, but I love this color. We have this all throughout our house for pieces that we have stained, like for our living room and stuff, and I really like it. So we ended up putting this on, and I'm going to show you what it looked like with just one coat. So yeah, let's go ahead and keep staining. And so here is one coat, and I actually really liked it, but I was like, let's do 2 coats, you know, just to be safe. So we went ahead and did another coat. We let this dry, and yeah. So you want to make sure you seal your wood with a clear gloss. So we use this one from Miniwax. I'll link it in my description box. And this is what it looked like after one coat, and it looked fine. I just wanted a second coat, so this is what the second coat looked like, and I was very happy. This table was such a struggle trying to get it in by myself. It wasn't heavy, it's just very long. So once I brought the table inside, this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks seriously fantastic. I'm sitting at it right now as I'm filming this voiceover, and I love it. I love the length of it. It's seriously so long. I can fit so much stuff on top, which was the whole purpose of, you know, even making this table. There's also enough room underneath to put like little shelves or something. Not shelves, but drawers. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if you want any other videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah! Bye, guys.